Hello everyone, welcome to Lina's Kitchen. Today I will share with you my red lentil soup recipe. Very easy and quick to make. First you will need 2 portions of red lentil soup, 1 portion of bulgur, 1 big onion, coriander, mint, cinnamon, black pepper, salt, and 1 tablespoon of pepper paste. In your cooker, put 2 tablespoons of oil, 2 teaspoons of salt, half teaspoon of black pepper, half teaspoon of cinnamon, 1 tablespoon of red pepper paste. Put your onion, mix everything well until they start to boil. Whenever your seasoning starts to boil, add your lentil, your bulgur, coriander, and your mint. Mix everything well until your lentil absorb all the seasoning. Add a little bit of hot water to avoid burning your soup. Mix everything well without stop stirring it. The trick to making your soup thick and velvety, you don't have to pour your water all at once. Add your water 3 times and stir your soup between time to time and check if your bulgur and your lentil double volume. Cover your soup, cook it for about 30 minutes. Every 10 minutes, check your soup and add hot water and stir it between time to time. After 30 minutes, you will notice that your bulgur and your lentil double volume and your soup is well cooked and ready to serve. Turn your stove off, sprinkle some coriander and mint on the top of your soup and serve it hot. If you liked my video, give it a big thumbs up, share it with your friends and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Bye!